hasn't heard of the 10-year challenge? So this 10-year challenge that everyone is talking about, the celebrities are doing it, my friends are doing it. It was all fine and dandy until someone was like, oh my god, Facebook is mining your data. Whether the data mining rumor was true or not, I'm gonna use this trend
to mine my own data.
So what I would like to know is how monumental is this 10-year challenge to your business? Anyway, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Charisma and I am the dream visualist of Popnicute.com, your go-to website for unique handcrafted jewelry. So I've been hooked on this Mel Robbins 35 days mindset reset challenge. So earlier this year, she challenged us to look back to 2018 and record the progress that we've made, what worked and what didn't work for us. See, a year is good to measure our current progress, but it may or may not show a significant progress on our skills though. So combining the two challenges, I would like to challenge you to look back 10 years and see how far you've come. And I want you to be proud of it, okay? Because I believe in you. I believe that you've shown quite a huge progress within this 10-year time. If you haven't been in business that long enough, that's okay too. You could look back to like 5 years, 2 years, or whatever, and be proud of yourself that you've come this far. If you have done this in a video or in a blog, I would like to know. Like link your blog or your video in the comment. Do like a react video, whatever that people do on YouTube that is like, interactive. I would like to see it. So make sure you subscribe and hit that subscribe button, the bell button, so you will get a notification whenever I go live or whenever I post a new video on YouTube. Okay, I'll see you next time.